Those who want to become pregnant or are afraid of becoming pregnant resort to using the pregnancy test. Waiting for the result can be an exciting time for some women, while for others, it can be anxious and worried. We can divide pregnancy tests into two groups: urinary pregnancy test. This is the classic pregnancy test, available in pharmacies without a prescription and can be done directly at home on the urine. Blood pregnancy test must be performed in the laboratory on prescription from your doctor and is necessary to confirm the result with certainty. In both cases, the principle of operation is the same. Let's see how it works. Brief review of how conception occurs. It occurs when the sperm reaches the mature egg cell, which has been released from the ovary into the fallopian tube during ovulation. At this point, the egg is fertilized and transported thanks to the movement of the hair cells of the tube inside the uterine cavity. Here it will nestle in the endometrium, mucosa that covers the internal cavity of the uterus, approximately 6-7 days after the sexual intercourse that led to fertilization, therefore around the 21st day of a 28-day menstrual cycle. To understand how the menstrual cycle works in detail, I leave you the video above. The pregnancy test can detect the so-called pregnancy hormone known as human chorionic gonadotropin, HCG, in the blood or urine approximately 1 week after conception. It is a glycoprotein produced first by the fertilized egg, which is then implanted in the uterus, and then by the placenta, and has the task of prolonging the life of the corpus luteum in the early stages of pregnancy. During pregnancy, there are several changes, week by week. To find out, I leave you the 3 videos I made. Click above to see them. The urinalysis, however, only allows you to do a qualitative analysis, i.e. it highlights whether you are pregnant or not. The blood tests, on the other hand, also allow for a quantitative analysis that is to accurately detect the concentration of the HCG hormone at the time of sampling. How to perform the pregnancy test. Depending on the type of pregnancy test chosen, it can be more or less difficult to read the result. It is usually sold in a kit, along with instructions on how to use it. Always read the instructions in the package insert carefully and check the expiry date of the pregnancy test. The pregnancy test consists of a stick of plastic material, results window. Here we find a test line, T, which tells you if you are pregnant or not, and a control line, C, which indicates if the test was performed correctly. Test strip or absorbent pad. It is impregnated with monoclonal antibodies, ion molecules that are able to recognize human chorionic gonadotropin, the pregnancy hormone. A chemical reaction will take place that will produce the classic colored lines on the stick. Let's see first how to use the pregnancy test and then how to read the result. How to use. Remove the protective cap of the stick, avoiding touching the absorbent pad. Hold the stick on the opposite side of the absorbent pad. Hold the tip under the urine string for a few seconds, trying to wet only the test strip. It is also possible to first collect the urine in a container and only then immerse the absorbent pad. Do not turn the stick upside down with the pad facing up. Put the cap back on the absorbent end and place the stick on a flat surface with the reading windows facing upwards. As soon as you are done, you have to wait a few minutes for the chemical reaction to occur. At the end, you will see the result on the results window placed on the test. If only one line appears, control line, it indicates a negative result, i.e. you are not pregnant. 2 lines instead, test line and control line, indicate that you are pregnant. In this case, it is advisable to confirm the state of pregnancy by taking a blood sample after talking to your doctor. If the line seems faded, the level of the hormone HCG is probably still too low in its concentration in the urine. If no lines are colored, it means that the test was not performed correctly or has expired. To know exactly how your pregnancy test works, always read the package leaflet. The best time to carry out the test is in the morning with the first urine, since they are those that have a higher concentration of hormones. It is also advised not to take too much fluids before taking the test. When should I take the pregnancy test? The home pregnancy test can be done from the first day of delayed menstruation. To confirm the result, it is also possible to repeat the test after waiting a few days, therefore after about 4/5 days from the menstrual delay. To avoid these mistakes, they are usually sold in packs of 2. Reliability. Some tests can be used up to 6 days before your period is late, i.e. 5 days before your expected period day. If you take the pregnancy test early, before your menstrual delay, you must be aware that even if the test is negative, you may still be pregnant. It would thus be a false negative. This is because it depends on the levels of the hormone HCG, which is produced in different quantities from woman to woman. Fertilization and pregnancy may have already occurred, but if the test is done too early, the levels of the hormone HCG may still not be high enough for the result to be positive. The pregnancy test for home use, starting from the first day of delay in the menstrual cycle, is 90% reliable. After 2/3 days from missed menstruation, the percentage of reliability rises to 99%. Altered results. The test may release false negatives, i.e. the pregnancy has begun, but the test is not detected in the case of test performed early and therefore low levels of the HCG hormone. The test is out of date, defective, or poorly stored. The procedure is not carried out correctly, or technical errors are made. For example, the container we use to collect the urine already contained water, soap, or other liquids. Excessive dilution of urine, drank long before the test, or are taking antidiuretic drugs. You are taking some specific medications for the treatment of infertility. In case of ectopic pregnancy, the test can instead release false positives in case of taking certain medications such as neuroleptics, premenopause, urinary infections, container used for the collection of non-sterile urine, test expired or badly stored, recent childbirth or miscarriage. After these events, the HCG hormone remains detectable in the blood for a few weeks.